चल रहा है, बढ़ रहा है, बहुत खतरनाक और बहुत अश्लाघ्य है, लेकिन ये भारत में नहीं, ये इंडिया में नहीं।
Be it three girls of Bhandara, a part of Mohan Bhagwat's Bharat, or the Delhi Braveheart, who he deemed as part of India, rape has no class distinctions. A female security index prepared by Tata Strategic Management Group has found that there seems to be little correlation between well-being and security of women.
One can only conclude that the whole issue of female security has very little to do with well-being or incomes. It probably has more to do with social and cultural factors in that region, not just that district necessarily, but in that entire region.
Of all the states that ranked high in well-being, only Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry ranked high on female security also. Delhi, Punjab and Haryana, on the other hand, scored high on well-being but low on female security. The Bimaru states and Orissa scored low on both well-being and female security. Northeastern states like Arunachal, Meghalaya and Tripura ranked low on well-being but very high on female security. Surprisingly, tribal districts in the Naxal region like Gadchiroli and Dantewada ranked high on female security, so did high conflict zones in the northeast.
With no clear link between prosperity and female security, the challenge in front of the policy makers is to come up with region-specific socio-cultural solutions rather than a one-size-fits-all solution for the entire country. In Mumbai, Kajal Iyer.